Meet the BMW X5, where luxury, performance, and everyday practicality come together. The X5 makes a bold first impression with its signature kidney grille and sleek adaptive LED headlights. It's aggressive, modern, and unmistakably BMW. Moving down the side, you'll notice strong character lines and a wide athletic stance. 20-inch wheels give the X5 a confident presence wherever you go. Around back, slim LED taillights and a sculpted tailgate keep things clean and refined. Step inside and the X5 really shines. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused layout create a space that feels both luxurious and intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, keeping you connected on every drive. Heated seats, a moonroof, and multi-zone climate control make every drive comfortable, no matter the season. Under the hood, this X5 delivers the performance BMW is known for with its inline-six engine. You'll get smooth power, responsive handling, and confidence in any road condition. Come see this X5 for yourself at Patrick BMW in Schaumburg, Illinois.